Welcome to DJ.
CSO to INEC don't tell INEC chairman make he apologize to Nigerians until we take disappoint them for this past general election.
My correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to DJMTV where ogbonge tori and update the shele. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so at any time we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una.
The civil society situation room don't finally present their final reports. Now there, the CSO to INEC for talk say make Mahmood Yakubu apologize to Nigerians also when he take disappointment for this past general election. So, according to her, she talk say INEC promised Nigerian transparency with electronic machineries wey go make the whole electoral process go fair in a fair and free manner, but dem fail to deliver wetin dem promise. And some other persons still react to this matter. Anyway, my people, make I leave una make una watch this video and hear more of wetin dem talk.
We're quite disappointed with what came out because we think we had the capacity to have done better, and we are still asking the INEC chairman to apologize to Nigerians because of the electoral issues. You know, because of technology. We demand for an apology because we asked the INEC chairman if the electoral process, if the technology will work. This election was about technology, but his technology was disappointing.
I was explaining to Nigerians why transmission of presidential election results faced technical glitches. Every other result, senatorial, House of Rep, well, there were so many, some modicum of transmission, but that one.
Training for observers is key because for us to deliver even as observers, we need to understand what the electoral process is. We saw observers on the field acting as monitors, not even understanding what they were supposed to do there.
For me, those parts of the report about apologizing to INEC and all of those things are the personal statements of those who it is not included in the report.
There are a lot of positives from the election. There are also challenges from the election. Based on those challenges, we are going to look at the reports from domestic and international election observers. We're also going to look at reports from political parties. We're also going to look at reports from our own electoral officers, from collation officers and returning officers. And we are going to see whether there are issues and things that we can deal with administratively, and we deal with those ones. We can also see whether there are still issues that demand both legal and constitutional change or reform. Then we will go before the appropriate organ of government and deal with those ones.
Hey, my people, don't be smart saying no. This whole talking go don't make INEC learn lesson well and not be small, because then think say the whole matter go the way they go before as usual, but it can't be like say the thing can't be like say now another thing. It not can't be like waiting they expect. Different people they come outside, they talk, say see the election where INEC promise Nigerians not be the way we be say the elections take go. Different things. The money where they spend, big money they spend on top the machineries where they say they won't bring the beavers and all of them where they bring come. The company like say the whole money they waste time because the whole election process is not good the way we're supposed to go. So the whole thing now come make Nigerians and different group they come out they talk. So say Alex chairman say we not even hear from her again, but at least this whole thing go make an learn lesson say in case of next time the whole matter go dey the way we're supposed to be. Anyway, my people, the updates will carry come for una this time be this. Make una drop una comment and una see una reason am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. DJ